When it comes to enhancing the curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency of your home or business, the doors you choose, and how they are installed, play a crucial role. In Lafayette, where the weather can range from hot summers to chilly winters, having quality doors that are properly installed is even more important. While some may consider DIY installation or hire a handyman to save a few dollars, investing in professional door installation offers significant long-term benefits that can far outweigh the initial cost. Here's why you should consider professional door installation in Lafayette. Expertise and experience. One of the biggest advantages of hiring a professional for door installation is their expertise. Professional installers have years of experience and the training necessary to handle various types of doors, whether it's a traditional wooden entryway, a modern steel door, or a high-tech security system. They understand the nuances of door framing, measurements, and hardware, ensuring that your door fits perfectly in its frame and operates smoothly for years to come. An expert installer knows the local building codes and regulations, which can vary in different areas of Lafayette. This knowledge ensures that your door is installed to meet the necessary standards, avoiding potential issues with permits or future repairs. When you choose professionals, you can rest assured that the job will be done right the first time. Enhanced security. A door is one of the most important features of your home's security. If your door isn't installed properly, it could leave your home vulnerable to break-ins or unwanted intruders. A professional installer ensures that the door is securely mounted, and the frame is reinforced correctly. They will also take care to install high-quality locks, deadbolts, and other security features that make your home a less attractive target for burglars. By opting for a professional installation, you're investing in peace of mind. With a properly installed door, you can feel confident knowing your home is safer and more secure, whether you're at home or away. Energy efficiency. In Lafayette, temperatures can fluctuate dramatically, and homeowners are always looking for ways to keep their homes comfortable while minimizing energy costs. A poorly installed door can lead to drafts, moisture buildup, and a loss of heating or cooling efficiency. This can increase your energy bills and make your home uncomfortable. Professional door installers understand the importance of tight seals and proper insulation. They ensure that your door is not only the right fit but also properly sealed around the edges. This reduces the risk of drafts and temperature fluctuations, helping to maintain a more consistent indoor climate while lowering your heating and cooling costs. Aesthetic appeal. The entrance to your home is often the first impression visitors have of your property. A high-quality, professionally installed door can enhance the visual appeal of your home. Whether you're upgrading your front door to match the style of your house or installing a patio door to bring in more natural light, professional installers can help you select the right door that complements your home's design and style. Additionally, when the door is installed correctly, it will operate smoothly and look sleek. Misalignment or incorrect installation can make even the most beautiful door look out of place, or worse, it could malfunction over time. time and convenience. Installing a door might seem like a straightforward task, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. From ensuring the door fits properly to dealing with framing issues, door installation can quickly turn into a complicated project for an unskilled homeowner. Even with a DIY kit, you might spend hours, or even days, on the project, only to face problems that require professional attention. Hiring a professional door installer saves you time and stress. Experts will complete the installation in a fraction of the time it would take you, and they'll handle all the details, from removal of the old door to installation of the new one. This means you can focus on other important tasks or simply enjoy your new door without the hassle. Long-term savings. While the upfront cost of professional installation may seem like an extra expense, it's a wise long-term investment. Proper installation reduces the need for costly repairs and replacements in the future. A door that's improperly installed can lead to damage to the door itself, the frame, and even your home's structure over time. By choosing professional door installation, you ensure that the job is done right the first time, minimizing the likelihood of future issues. In the end, the initial investment in professional installation can save you money on repairs and replacements down the road. Conclusion. When you consider the benefits of professional door installation in Lafayette, expert craftsmanship, enhanced security, energy efficiency, aesthetic appeal, time savings, and long-term cost savings, it becomes clear that it's worth the investment. Whether you're looking to upgrade the doors in your home or add a touch of elegance to your business, professional installation ensures that your doors will not only look great but also perform optimally for years to come. Don't cut corners when it comes to something as essential as door installation. Trust the experts to get it right.